Welcome back to my channel Mini Teaching. Today I am going to teach you how to write H. First we will learn how to write capital letter H. For writing capital H, we must write two double standing lines. Means two standing lines. So I am writing one, and sleeping line. This is capital letter H. I will show it one more time. One standing line, one more standing line, and a sleeping line. This is capital letter H. Now we will write one more time. You must write one standing line, one more standing line, and a sleeping line. This is capital letter H. Now we will learn how to write small h. When we are writing small h, there is only one difference. You will not have double, you will have one. So let's write one standing line, one downward curve. This is small h. I'll show it one more time. First you must write a standing line and a downward curve. This is small h. One standing line and one downward curve. This is small h. Now we will write two letters together. First we will write capital letter H. One standing line, one standing line, and a sleeping line. This is capital letter H. Now you write small h. Standing line, and downward curve. This is small h. H for hand. H for hand. H for heart. Now I will show you the sign of H. Like a gun. Now I will teach you the sound of H. 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 Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and let's see you in the next video.